guys, today I'm going to show you how to change oil on your car. First you got to do, open the hood. So the oil filter for a Dodge Grand Caravan is right there. Right there, that thing. So you got to take this off. So this out of the way. Just pop it up. Boom. It's being held on by like 4 nipples. Then you open your valve, your oil thing. So the oil I have here is this 5W20, because it says on your cap what oil you need right there. It says what oil you need, 5W20. And then get the filter. This is the filter for a Dodge Grand Caravan. Take off the filter first. Okay, I just get a crescent wrench like this. Then you don't have to take off this, because usually I take this off, but today I'm going to try to do without that. So let's see. Bam, easy. You want to get an oil pan? I gotta put that thing right in. Filter into the oil pan. It's gonna drip a bit, but that's fine. It's not the end of the world. Get some oil in there. Ooh, look at that oil. It's looking nasty. You just want to grab it and pull it off. There you go. That's your filter right there. There's a ring on here. You want to make sure you take off this ring that's on here. See right there, that one. You open your new filter, and there should be a ring on there. There you go. Also make sure there's a ring on that little thing. I'm going to put the ring on first. Just put it on, slide it down. Slide it into the screw. See the screw right here? Slide it in there, make sure it's in there. Then get your filter. Make sure it clicks, pull on it, it's hard in there. Perfect. Now, you just go to put it in again. Put it in, make sure it's center, and tighten it down. I'm just going real, I'm not pushing hard at all. There you go, now it's, there, that's it, no more. I put a napkin into the old box. Then you just put it in. Boom. Hey. There you go. Now you can throw this in the garbage. And you're just gonna start pumping it. I would like to grab something, put it under here, just in case the car falls. Some extra support. There we go. I'm gonna break it loose. Then put this like behind it. Take off your gloves and go above it like this. That's how I do it. Go above it and hold on to, like push in on the bolt and twist, twist, twist until you feel it's like it's all the way off, and then you just pull out. Boom. There we go. Perfect. Then you got the bolt. I got some towel paper towel, I mean. Clean it up. Clean up the bolt. Make sure the washer's on there. So what I do, when it's almost all done, I just pour new oil in and then wait for it to come out here, and then you kind of flush it a little bit. So not too much, just like half a cup. So let's do that. You just let it drip. You can wait if you want all the way, but we'll just close it up. No need to recover. You're not gonna get everything out anyway. Clean this up before you put the nut in all the way. Boom. Get your wrench. Tighten it. First hand, tighten it like tiny bit more than, not too much. And then you're good to go. Look at that thing, that's full. Holy, I need to get a bigger oil pan. This is too risky. Get all my stoves dirty. Look what I just did. I didn't even realize I let it corrupt. Oops. Let's pour in some oil. Okay, let's lower the car. Check your oil, make sure there's enough in there. We're almost at the line. I don't know if you can see that, but let's do it again. A little more. There, it's right in the center. There you can see. Like, don't mind this just got hooked up there. Perfect. And check your oil again. It's a bit low, so we'll add a bit more. Let that settle for now. We'll pour this oil into that black jug. There we go. Let it drain. Oh, that is perfect. Look at that. There you can see how perfect that is. Right there. Nice. Close it up. Put this thing on. Close it up. Boom. That's how you do an oil change. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow. Comment if this video helped you at all.